The Blueprint for Teaching Online is a 3-course series designed to help educators who teach struggling learners. Although the Blueprint is appropriate really for any educator, the series focuses on the strategies and solutions for designing and delivering more effective online programs for at-risk or vulnerable learners. A vulnerable learner is a non-traditional student that has typically not been successful in school, and we know realities about this learner are different than the realities for more traditional learners. For example, we know that learners who are at risk underperform in online learning. We know that struggling learners drop out at a higher rate and receive lower grades than the traditional students in the exact same medium. And we know why. This course focuses on solutions and strategies for creating engaging and interactive hybrid learning experiences for students that struggle. Because we know that online education requires self-discipline, time management, self-regulation skills, and learning to learn skills, and not just access to a specific body of information. And we know that disadvantaged students struggle with these skills. Educational equity isn't just about access to technology. It's not just exposure to materials that move learners through a collection of information and exercises. We know that at-risk learners need access to meaningful online interactions with educators and students. The Blueprint for Teaching Online provides a blueprint for designing these type of experiences, interactive and online engagement. We'll use a hybrid model. A hybrid program is one that combines synchronous learning, which is those live sessions, with asynchronous learning, which is a self-paced learning path. The Blueprint for Teach Online will help teachers create a consistent hybrid learning path for students, and then integrate that learning path with activities along the path that focus on interaction and engagement. And then finally, we'll create guardrails or support strategies that help learners feel safe, supportive, and create a sense of belonging that learners need to keep them on that path. Course 1 will focus on the hybrid model and examine those e-learning strategies of master educators. We'll outline a hybrid learning path that is interactive and provide all the files and rubrics and supportive information that you'll need to create a hybrid learning path of your own. Now, these courses are application-based and contextualized. We'll model the strategies that we teach, and you'll apply the strategies in your own context. You'll leave Course 1 with a completed blueprint for creating your first hybrid learning lesson. In Course 2, we'll focus on the synchronous portion of the course. We'll examine those 8 engagement strategies of master educators and examine a formula and sequence for delivering live lessons that organize your content and teach norms of interaction and expectations and manage those housekeeping and classroom management elements that can really bog down a live session that isn't face-to-face. Throughout it all, your instructor will facilitate and model the strategies so that you experience the strategies yourself as a learner. In Course 2, you'll leave with a blueprint for implementing the live formula in your next synchronous class. Course 3 is all about the guardrails and providing the support that learners need to keep them engaged in attending a hybrid class. We'll examine the specific engagement strategies used in synchronous sessions. You'll learn strategies that reduce isolation and diminish that barrier between you and the students. We'll learn how to create interactive live sessions where learners are continually responding in the chat box, using the video camera, and speaking through their audio. You'll learn how to make live sessions look, feel, and interact like a face-to-face engaged classroom. We'll also learn a method called the ARENA method for creating email and text challenges that keep learners engaged on their asynchronous path. Here's the truth. The reality is that there simply isn't enough time to do the training that we need to become master educators. But Rome wasn't built in a day, but one day people started building Rome. It's time to commit to sharing strategies that work. There are strategies that do work. We can create engaging, interactive courses for struggling learners. As your facilitator, I taught struggling learners online for 7 years. I created Dallas County Community College's Richland campus's first online biology courses. I did the same for Texas Women's University. Mockingbird Education will always believe that face-to-face is the ideal classroom for at-risk learners. I didn't create this COVID reality, and neither did you, but we can teach successfully in it. We'll let you behind the curtains. We'll share successes and challenges all along the way throughout each course. And in each course, we'll have coaching sessions and connect you with our Learning Lab partner so that you can talk and interact with programs that use these strategies in their own program and classrooms. And finally, all along the way, we will send you daily reminders, updates, and challenges to keep you engaged on the course learning path. Join us. Blueprint for Teaching Online. Let's look at what's possible in online education for at-risk learners.